Mother Nature. A beautiful thing. Indeed. Babies. Lovely babies. Brings me joy. Brings me joy to experience Mother Nature here. Here at my abode, where I spend the most enjoyable times of my life. Here in Muskoka, in my little cabin retreat. My little cabin retreat here by the water's edge, where I can enjoy Mother Nature in her most splendid presentations of life, such as turtles. Observe. Here we have a lovely turtle laying her eggs. Painted turtle. Yes. Painted turtle laying her eggs. We'll leave her alone now. I hate to disturb such a wonderful event. Here, by the water's edge, I experience Mother Nature. Isn't it lovely to have such a place to spend some time? Indeed. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ah. Cute, cute, cute.